Hello there. Kim, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh,
Doug Jenkins of apartment 5C.
I recognize you from down in the lobby. Sometimes I see you waiting for the
It
elevator.
takes forever these days.
One patient at a time.
Passenger.
When people don't take the stairs, I assume they have a disability.
You assume wrong.
Guess I'm too lazy to think of another reason.
Try presentability.
What?
I'm a banker. My work entails video calls with clients. I can't be out of breath or sweaty.
From walking up a few flights?
I'm higher up than you.
Only one floor.
I'm also somewhat older.
All the more need to get fit.
Thanks for your concern. Now,
Cardiovascular health is important for seniors.
I'm not in that category yet.
Take the stairs and you'll get there.
I'm in no rush. Anyway, Marion gave me your number.
Is she okay?
She's good as gold.
Haven't seen her lately.
She's staying indoors.
I hurried. She must be a prime target.
Absolutely. In the vulnerable group.
Does she need someone to do her shopping?
She's arranged deliveries.
Cool.
I'm calling about another matter.
Just say the word. Happy to lend a hand.
That's very kind of you, Kim.
Times like this, neighbors gotta look out for each other.
Absolutely.
How can I help?
I've noticed you feeding birds on your balcony.
So?
They're also landing on mine.
Lucky you.
I hardly know how to ask this, but could you please stop?
Do you want tips on feeding them? Crust cause constipation and seeds keep them regular.
They do their business on my railing. It dribbles down, leaving a vertical smear on the glass.
The sign of a healthy gut.
I'm trying to be polite.
The stuff washes off easy.
When it's fresh. But if I miss a bit on the far underside of the railing, it soon solidifies.
Want to borrow a hammer and chisel?
Kim, the birds are a nuisance.
Then shoo them away.
I do, but they keep coming back. There's one now. Get out! Get out! Get out!
They're making you exercise. Just what you need.
You need to stop your irresponsible behavior.
Come off it, dude.
I was hoping you'd respond to a friendly chat.
You hoped wrong.
Right. Consider this an official warning.
Ooh.
I mean it.
You can't even scare a sparrow.
I'm on the committee.
Big deal.
We have the power to enforce compliance.
Small pets are allowed.
You're welcome to a canary in a cage.
Birds need to be free.
Fine. Feed them down in the park.
I'm only allowed out for essential shopping and exercise.
Sprinkle seeds while you walk.
Daren't twist that, Doug. The cops have the power to enforce compliance.
Are you prepared to resolve this issue or not?
Guess I could try putting the birds in diapers.
Right. I'm inviting Marion to join this call. Maybe you listen to the chairperson.
Have you already squealed on me?
I haven't breathed a word to her yet. I was hoping there'd be no need.
Your hopes keep getting dashed, don't they?
Not in the long run.
Doug, how lovely of you to call back. Oh, and you're here too, Kim.
Hey, Marion.
Isn't this cozy?
We've been having a talk.
I'm thrilled. I love fostering introductions.
It's been an eye-opener.
Wonderful.
Listen, Marion, sorry to be a wet blanket, but I must raise a delicate matter.
Let me make it easy for you. I'm stepping down as chairperson.
Really?
Mm-hmm. It's time to pass on the baton.
If that's your decision,
And as my final act, Doug, I'm endorsing you as my successor.
there'll have to be a vote.
Oh, purely a formality. The committee agrees with me. You have the skills and the dedication.
Thank you. I promise I'll always be guided by what's best for the building.
Marion, are you sure you're doing the right thing for you?
Yes, dear.
You told me after you retired you needed this role to give your life a sense of purpose.
I was very selfish.
What's changed?
Don't laugh. I've had a revelation, a visitation.
How do you mean?
Well, not exactly from a flight of angels, but close.
You don't have to explain anything.
Oh, I want to. I want to share this miracle.
Go on then.
Well, until last week, I was extremely depressed, stuck here, alone, wallowing in self pity. And then one day, my French doors were opened. A sparrow hopped in right onto my carpet. Oh, followed by another and another. I don't know, half a dozen or more. I was too stunned to get an accurate count. Now, the birds moseyed around, chirping, and then they popped out and flew away. I thought I had been dreaming. You have to understand, I have lived in this apartment for over 40 years, and nothing like this has ever happened before. But the next day, they came back, and every day since, staying longer each time. Oh, they are so tame, the darling little creatures. They eat out of my hand.
So you're feeding them?
Well, just since yesterday, but that's not what attracted them. No, it's as though they sensed my loneliness. Oh, you're going to think I'm silly, but I have written a poem. Would you like to hear it?
Sure.
I sprinkle breadcrumbs for the sparrows. I love their revelry. My heart's besieged with slings and arrows. The birds are feeding me.
Aw, that's so sweet. Don't you think so, Doug?
I'm not a poetry person.
Well, I hope the committee is. I'm sending out a group email rhapsodizing my experience.
Good for you.
Ah, Kim, Doug's promotion leaves a vacancy. Would you consider stepping in?
What's involved?
Well, considerable responsibility, um, deciding what is most beneficial to our well being.
That sounds right up my alley.
There needs to be a vote.
Oh, don't worry about that. My final recommendation will pull huge weight.
We'll be working together, Doug.
Apparently,
I'll have to get used to the pecking order.
We don't tolerate petty politics. At least not on my watch, we didn't.
Well, you should still come to the meetings, Marion, as an observer.
Ah, what a lovely idea. I wouldn't want to tread on anyone's toes.
You wouldn't be treading on anyone's toes. You'd be keeping us on our toes. Won't you, Doug?
I have no objection.
Then I accept. Oh, this gives me something to look forward to. My blessings just keep coming.
Wait and see. Any day now, expect pigeons.